Taking apart my barbecue, I found that the bottom is completely rusted out. I'm in the process of removing all of the excess. Next step is to remove all of the excess metal. Using a pliers and a Sawzall. Now that I've cut out all of the metal that I need to, I've got a box that goes straight down to a shelf right there. Thick piece of metal holds in the valves. I'm going to make a box that fits right in there, that sits right on that. As you can see, I've taken a piece of sheet aluminum, 0.019 inch thick, easily cuttable, and I've squared it off. There's the template. Sides, that's the front, that's the side, and that's the rear. Now I'll cut it with a tin snips. Okay, align one edge with the work table and bend it like a brake. Use your hand, use steel, whatever you need. I did this with my thumbs, bent it right down on the edge of the table. Okay, the first two sides done. Okay, that would be the rear and one side. It will be a little tougher to do those. I'll clamp a piece of steel against it and bend it right up. Okay, with only one to go, that's going to be the toughest. I can't get anything across it unless it's a perfect size. Okay, box almost finished. Let's go and try to fit. Okay, after fitting the box, I had to do a rebend. It looks okay. Don't worry about the corners. Your old box was completely open, remember? Or at least partially open. That won't matter. A pan. Now I put the stainless plate down on the bottom of the barbecue, and then the ceramic or lava rock, whatever you want to use, on top. The grates were pretty clean, so I just left them, and now I've got a done deal